Hello, and once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Is. And I hope you have tried the practice question that is on slide number 15, which says, and it is now time to know whether you're right or wrong. Water flows from a tap at the rate of 27 centimeters per second. 27 centimeters cubed per second. That is the first piece of information. Into a rectangular container of length 60, breadth 30, and height 40. We have a rectangular container here whose length is 60. Let's have it. 60 centimeters, 30 centimeters, and the height 40 centimeters. If at 6 p.m., the container was half full, what will be the height of the water at 6:04? In other words, we are actually evaluating the kind of work done in 4 minutes, or the amount of water poured into the rectangular container in 4 minutes. Let us first of all have first things first. What is the rate of the water flowing? 27 centimeter cubed per second. So what is the amount of water that the tap produces or gets into the rectangular container in 1 minute? Then we have 27 centimeters cubed times, this is the flow per second. 1 minute has 60 seconds times 60, that is water flow in 1 minute. And then we want to know how much water flew into the container in 4 minutes, so times 4. And what is this? What do you get here? 27 times 60 times 4. This is 6480 centimeter cubed. If this is the amount of water that gets into the container in 4 minutes, and we are told that at 6 p.m. the container was half full, so the height was 20. The height of the water was 20, since the height of the container is 40. What was the height of the water at 6:04? In those 4 minutes, this amount of water had entered the container. This is the volume of the water. But we know the volume of a rectangular container is length times width times the height, which we don't know. We are actually finding height. What is the height of water? Call it x. What is the height of the water? Because water might be reaching there after those 4 minutes. We might be finding our water reaching there. Of course, the level will increase, but the volume, which is equals to 60 times 30 times x, should give us 6480, since this is the amount of water that entered the rectangular container in 4 minutes. So in other words, what is x? Making x the subject of the formula, 6480 all over 60 times 30, which is 1800. What is that? Divide by 1800, and our answer is 3.6 centimeters. That means the height of, if x is 3.6, this is 3.6 centimeters, the height of the water at 6:04 is the 20 that was there at 6 p.m. plus the increased height in the 4 minutes, which is 3.6, and the height of the water in the container is 23.6 centimeters. I hope you got that question right. Thank you.